Hello beautiful family, how are you doing? Thank you for your love, thank you for your support. I just can't thank you enough. So my correalistic people, today I have another quick one to share with us. You guys know that a lot has been going on, a lot happened that you did not know, but the purpose you are here is for me to bring to your notice everything that happened. You guys know that time without number, if there is problem in any country when Nigeria mostly are involved, maybe there is war in that particular country and they need somebody to render help for the student, for the citizen, they will easily call Airpeace. If it comes to help, Airpeace is not an IPOB member. Airpeace is an Igbo man. But if it comes to help, is a citizen of Nigeria, okay? Is no longer an IPOB. If it's a time for them to render service with money, he's a citizen of Nigeria, he's no longer an IPOB. If it's a time for any beautiful girl, beautiful Igbo to get married, she is not an IPOB, she is a citizen of Nigeria. If it's a time to do giveaway, to help, manpower, everything to make sure the country is working well, they are citizens of Nigeria, they are not IPOB. But if it's time for them to contest as Nigeria president, they will table them or they will mark them. They are IPOB member. They are religious people. They are this, they are that. Now they are calling Airpeace. Airpeace is now rendering help according to his own capacity. Now he's not an IPOB member. He's a citizen of Nigeria. What a story. So my correalistic people, this video you are going to watch, you are going to listen to Nigerian students, how they are stranded, trying to call for help, trying to call on the federal government to help them. So I decided to bring this video so that you will also know what is going on. And in any way you can help us, so please raise your voice and help. It's not a joke. It's not easy at all in Sudan. A lot is happening right now and our people need help. So please do want to share this video, like and subscribe as I bring you all the update. Thank you so much and bye-bye.
Before we started this journey, we have to go on several fighting. Can you even imagine that we are stuck in this desert for 5 hours?
We don't know which state we are.
Like we don't know the situation we are. We don't have water. Our money has finished. Can you even imagine? And they said the Bible drivers, they said they are not moving their bus. They said they are not moving their buses because they don't give them money. Which type of attitude is this one? Look at this place. We are stuck in desert. We don't even have compass.
We don't know the way we are. We don't know the place we are.
Everything has finished. We are done.
We don't have anything.
We don't have
anything.
We don't have
No
clothes,
money,
we don't have
no
anything.
food.
We don't have compass. We even know our location. We're in an unknown environment with a very big danger.
Look at this place. All
Don't
those
take
guys
us
don't
to
know
this place.
nothing.
Why is Nigeria everywhere?
Good morning, everyone. Good morning, everyone. Assalamu alaikum. We are in Sudan. We are Nigerians who are stranded in Sudan. And as you see now, she has people plenty. My embassy will they wait for. Nigerian government don't give them money, and this will don't promise us plenty things. Say they go carry us come on. Say they don't pay for bus. They say now 40 buses they pay for. Now what the embassy tell us? Say 20 will go the first day, 20 will go the second day, but the first day only 10 buses we see. The other 10 will not see them. They say maybe the first 10 will go, later another 10 will come. Or will not see that 10. So the money where they give that was on 26. That was on 20. Or that was on 26, and today is 27. The rest of us who remain here was supposed to come out today, and the place where they go is very far. By now, we don't suppose they road. When embassy leave us here, the time is almost 10 o'clock. We no see bus.
10:30.
This 10:30. We no see bus. We no see people from embassy. We no see anybody. They just abandon us here. We don't even know what is their plan. We have not seen any bus. So this is the situation we face for Sudan. Why our government they do this kind of thing always? What be the problem? What we do them? My crime to be Nigeria. What we do? Even countries where we say they don't get passport for Sudan don't come out.
Yes.
So what we do? Why do they do this kind of thing? They don't give them money. They say 150 million. They say money they give them now almost $400,000, and they say they don't pay for the bus. But when they realize say now when bus come here they pay the driver before you go come out. Don't say they pay company. So I beg I beg, make una put us in prayer. We don't go through a lot. For the past 4 days, 5
Talk
days.
about the female, the pregnant, the
We
children.
have some students here who are also married. They deal with their children.
Yeah.
They deal with their children, and some are even pregnant, and they're stranded. Embassy no provide food. They no provide water. In fact,
No
now for one
medication.
school, no medication. Now for one school we did one Jamia freaky, and we all of us pack like this. As the place be.
Yeah.
Nigerians we the wait make embassy come, make they come do something. I beg, make una Ipob help us as if we say what we do. They what they do us like this. We need to leave Sudan. This country is not safe for us.
Today is the last day.
Yeah,
for the
today should
ceasefire.
be the last day for the ceasefire. We need to leave this country. Look at the full embassy talk. They don't give them money, let them do their job. The government has paid. What is keeping them waiting? Where we are going is very far. By now, we're not supposed to enter road. They go. They dump us for years.
The main problem is that today is the last day.
Today is the last day.
After today,
we don't
they
know
start killing
what
us.
might happen. Please and please, this is what we are going through. Thank you very much.
Okay, salamu alaikum. Malam Mustafa. Me za ka ce game da wannan tafiyar Malam Mustafa?
Muna gode wa Allah madaukakin sarki.
Ka dan ƙara daga murya saboda duniya ta san me muke ciki.
Allah madaukakin sarki da Najeriya take kokarin ainihin ta.
Juya ta nan gurin saboda a ga halin da mutane suke ciki.
Ta kwashe al'umma zuwa ƙasar Najeriya dangane da abin da ke faruwa a Sudan. Amma haliyan har yanzu muna nan a ƙasar Sudan. Babu wani abu da muke ji illa rabin cewa Najeriya ta ba da wannan kuɗi a ainihin kwashe mu a Sudan dangane da wannan matsala da muke fama a ciki. To amma har yanzu an ce ba a saka kuɗin nan ba, shi kanshi wanda aka ce za a saka wa kuɗin ya ce bai ga wannan kuɗi ya sauka ba. Sa'an nan an ce mana safi karfe 6 yau za mu tashi, amma yanzu gashi bayan azuhur yayi karfe 3 babu wani alama na ainihin wannan tafiya. Don haka muna ƙara kira da Allah a dai ƙara matsaye ainihin koko a ƙara haɓasa akan al'amarin, wato don al'umma ya zama sun samu bar wannan ƙasar. Wallahi jiya muna tsaye a nan gurin, wallahi harbe ake ta faman yi. Muna tsaye a gurin nan harbe da bom wallahi sun tashi, kuma mutane guduwa masallaci suka yi, kowa ya je kunkunta. Don haka muna so da Allah ya zama to an matsa da Allah a samu, saboda sojojin nan suna jiran kamar mu tashi ne mu bar wannan ƙasa. Abubuwan da za su ci gaba da yi su yi da dangane da abin da ya shafi wannan matsaloli da suke fama. Muna fatan Allah ya zo da ƙasar Sudan lafiya, saboda ba daɗi ba ne mu ya zamanto mun bar ƙasar mun basu da fitina. A'a, muna so Allah ya cire musu wannan fitina da suke fama da shi.
Malam Mustafa, ina son ka a haska mutane da suke stranded ko?
Na'am.
Duk ga su nan.
Aiwa, kware kuwa.
Yawwa, ina fata kuna gani.
Mutane sun akwai wanda sun kwana 8 a nan gurin.
Tabbas.
Akwai wanda sun kwana 3, akwai wanda ƴaƴansu da sauran duk suna nan a cikin nan gurin.
Kowa ya fito daga gidan shi.
Babu ruwa, ana da cikin wani yanayi gaskiya. Yawwa, muna so da Allah a ƙara taimakawa dangane da abin da ya shafa haka. Allah ya saka da kai, muna godiya ga gwamnatin Najeriya.
To, ga dai kamar dai yadda kuka ji bayani. Daga bakin ɗaya daga cikin mutanen da suka yi witnessing abin da ke faruwa. Yanzu haka gashi nan dai kamar yadda kuke gani, kowa mutane gabaki ɗaya sun fito. Gashi nan mutane suna zazzaune. A Najeriya ana maganan cewa mu yanzu haka mun riga mun isa Cairo. Amma har yanzu ga muna nan. Ba inda aka tafi. Yawwa, ku yi magana, this is your right. Ko ba haka bane, ku yi magana. Gashi nan ga mutane nan suna nan.
So my wonderful family, that brings us to the end of this update. Do well to like the video, share and subscribe. Thank you and bye bye.